So this is how you unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Pro 3003DW printer. In this tutorial, we will show you the unboxing of the HP LaserJet Pro 3000 printer series. We will then show you how to set up and create a first printout. So let's unbox the printer. This is what you see once you open up the box. There's a CD. It's got the setup guides, a reference guide, and a warranty flyer, as well as some limited warranty information. Let's lay the box on its sides and remove the printer and other contents. Remove the printer by pulling on the plastic wrap. These are the other contents in box. It has got a USB cable and 2 sets of power cable. Remove the tapes. Next, plug one end of the power cable into the wall socket, and with the other end, plug it into the power port located at the back of the printer. Turn on the power at the wall socket. Power on the printer by pressing on the power button over here. Once the printer is powered up, you can see that the paper out indicator is on. Let's load some paper. To load paper, open up the input tray. Push back the guides. Take a stack of plain paper and load it in. Push the guides until it touches the paper. Then close back the tray. We will now set up the printer. Following the instructions on the setup guide, we need to go to hpsmart.com/setup. So let's do that on our browser. We are setting up a new printer, so let's begin setup. We'll install the HP Easy Start. Once the file is downloaded, you can open the file. If you see this prompt, select Yes. HP Easy Start. We'll accept all options. Let's continue. It has found our printer. Let's continue. We'll press the flashing button on the printer. For network settings, we'll configure the IP automatically. Let's continue. Connect printer to internet. Let's continue. Let's print our pairing code. parent code is printed. We'll continue setup in HP Smart Admin. Let's open HP Smart Admin. Get connected and start printing. Let's set up. We'll select LaserJet and key in the model number. Go to Next. We'll select I already have a parent code. Complete HP printer setup. So if you do not have an account, please create one. For our case, we will sign in. How do you want to set up this printer? It's managed by my company or organization. Let's continue. Let's continue. Connected printing services. Let's confirm and continue. For firmware updates, we'll confirm and continue. Next, we'll need to enter the printer parent code that was printed. Once the parent code is keyed in, let's continue. Parent code is accepted. For the printer name, we'll call it HP LaserJet Pro 3000. Printer location is office. Let's continue. For the instant ink, we'll skip trial offer. We'll select Remind Me Later. To enable printing, let's install the printer driver. Once the file is downloaded, let's open the file. If you see a prompt, select Yes. Let's get started. Let's continue. We'll connect a new device and select Automatic Setup. Go to Next. The device is already connected to my wireless network. Go to Next. I see that it is connected. We can key in the IP address. If you need the IP address, simply press on the I button on the printer. In this case, we have got the IP address, and we'll key in over here. Go to Next. The setup is complete. Select Finish. Let's continue. Let's print a test page. Select Print. So this is the test page that was printed. Let's continue. So at this point, you have completed the unboxing and setup for this printer. To use the printer, simply download HP Smart App from Microsoft Store, and you can add a printer to do printing as well. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Pro 3003DW printer.